spirit mind.
Step aside, ladies.
Step aside, ladies. A complete nondescript civilian is going to simply caress him gently.
In gym shorts.
A tender touch.
Chocolate blue.
I love how he's showing, oh, this is all it takes, and they're still giving it a wide berth.
You guys want to take it for dinner?
He seems okay with the guy handling him.
This is not to say that women are physically less capable than men, but women are physically less capable than men. Unfortunately, the shoe attack put the female cop in the emergency room.